Hi friends of the twins, it's me Shonda here. Welcome back to the channel. I want you guys to come on up and spend some time with me on my back patio deck. I wanted you guys to come on up and take a look with me, sit with me on the patio. This patio is so relaxing. I did a refresh on it. I changed the cushions and added some different flowers just to give it a different look, but the furniture itself is the same. So what I've done this year as opposed to last year to refresh this space, I added this beautiful wreath that I got from one of my favorite thrift stores as a centerpiece. It was just the excellent piece to go in the center of this table, and I just highlighted it with a nice candle for the ambiance. The chair cushions were off-white last year, but I decided to change them to navy this year. I kind of love the navy with the accented by the lime green pillows, so those are new for the refresh. As you can see, I have my favorite things, 2 clocks. The standing clock was there last year, and the clock that's on the wall is a clock that I got from Hobby Lobby. It was part of their spring shop collection, and it was on sale for 75% off. They originally had it for $109.99. So I was happy about that. These rugs I got at Walmart last year. I wanted to keep them because I just love the colors. They're so vibrant and tropical, just reminds me of a nice tropical island. And that's kind of how I feel when I sit out here. Another new thing that I added this year was 2 refreshment stations. One for juices and healthy drinks, and the other is on the other side, and it's more for our grown and sexy friend of the twins. I want to take a minute to put the emphasis on this tall tree that's standing in the corner. It is an artificial plant, potted plant that I found in one of my favorite thrift stores, and I just had to have it. This plant is a perfect addition to the patio, but guess what, friends? Some of my flying bird friends, they have been trying to put bird nests in the artificial tree. This is another entertainment area. The chairs are the same from last year. I just added some extra fluffy cushions in there for more comfortable seating. This table was also added. I love to entertain, and so I needed an area where I could put out all of my food or dishes when I'm entertaining. And all of the potted plants, I just fixed them myself. I love color, so this was perfect, and they all bloom and have the beautiful colors. This Wandering Jew was a small plant that I got at Hobby Lobby, and it has grown big this summer with so much rain here in Georgia. And to sum this area all up, home sweet home. That's what it feels like. And last but not least, the center table. This table is where we will spend time eating on the back deck, family and friends. I'm glad you all stopped by. As you can see, with this 10 by 30 deck, I have enough space for everybody. Rhonda, of course, helped me with a very simple but still pretty flower centerpiece, and it kind of surrounds the umbrella stand. You'll get to see that later on in the video. I just accented the table with a nice runner, and that the runner came from Hobby Lobby. The spring shop collection was on sale, 75% off. I got it that day, and I think I paid less than $6 for it. Originally, it was $39 or so. The tableware that you see, I got it at Dee Dee's discount. It's a hard plastic, but it still looks beautiful. The flowers was part of the centerpiece that I had last year. We just broke it down. I repurposed it and used it again. Now that we've finished touring the back deck, let's take a walk out into the backyard. We have cut down over 150 trees off of this property, but the space is absolutely beautiful. Boo Daddy and I have a lot of acres, so we have a lot of room for all of you to come, and you can still see some of our special friends. They can't get in my fence, but they're always somewhere lurking and watching me. And there they are. There are 4 of them out there, and they are watching me right now. They're watching you too. Do you see them? It's been so hot here in Georgia, but fall is coming, and we're going to be able to get out here and spend some time before it gets too cool. This is such a tranquil and peaceful space. Well, I want to thank all of my friends of the twins for stopping by and spending this time together with me. As we take one last look at the patio, I want to take this time to say, make the life that you live a life that you love. Life is short. Thanks for watching.